Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today we're bringing the heat with a bite-sized party favorite, easy cheese-stuffed jalapeños. They're creamy, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Perfect for BBQs, tailgates, or honestly, any holiday spread. Before we get started, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing our audience from all around the world. And don't worry, the full recipe and ingredient list are in the description below. Here's what you'll need to make these cheesy, spicy little bites of heaven. You'll want 24 fresh jalapeno peppers, halved and seeded. Then 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened. Add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, plus half a cup of shredded Monterey Jack or pepper jack cheese. You'll also need 4 slices of cooked bacon, crumbled, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Oh, and if you like, grab some chopped chives or cilantro for garnish. Start by slicing your jalapeños in half lengthwise and removing all the seeds and membranes. That's where the heat hides. If you prefer things spicier, just leave a few seeds in for an extra kick. Place all your pepper halves on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ready for stuffing. In a medium bowl, just mix together the cream cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, bacon, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir it all up until it's creamy and well combined. This is your cheesy magic filling. Using a small spoon or, a piping bag if you have one, fill each jalapeno half with your cheese mixture. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. For extra crispness, go ahead and switch on the broiler for the last 30 seconds. Just keep a close eye on them. Let them cool for a minute, then plate them up. Serve with ranch or chipotle dipping sauce and just watch them disappear, creamy, cheesy, and with just the right amount of heat. And that's it. You've made easy cheese-stuffed jalapeños, the perfect snack for game day, parties, or family gatherings. The full recipe is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another spicy, cheesy recipe from How to 360.